What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my brother's iPhone 11 Pro Max 256 gigs in gold. So let's get into the video. Anyway, so in the box we have designed by Apple in California and some Apple stickers. Then we have the AirPods, the headphones. Then we have the USB Type-C to Lightning port cable and the charging brick. This is 18 watts. And then yeah, so for the satisfying part, don't leave me. Woo! Anyway, so this is just a quick unboxing of the phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So we went out to get some cases. We got this. There's a hardback case with this sort of pop sockets on it, and then orange buttons. Let's pop that in the case. This is how the phone looks. You lose that gold color though. Then we got this clear case. This is how it looks. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I post any video. See you guys in the next one.